Okay, Mommy couldn't wait until tomorrow. So we're going to try a little bit of cereal today. It's Friday. And Liam is hungry. He's a hungry kid. You want this? Try a little bit. Okay, well it's going better than last week. He did swallow a tiny bit, I think. I heard him smack. Still kind of pushing his tongue out though. Oh, but he's kind of smacking it in. He's kind of smacking it up. Does it taste good? Here we go. Here's a little more. Okay. Now he'd rather eat his hand than the cereal. But he's kind of slurping it in instead of pushing it out. He's eating some of it. We're making a big mess, aren't we? That's okay. We like messes. Yummy, yummy. Say hi, Dad. This is tasty stuff. Yeah. He's sucking it in. Yum. Good job, Liam. He's a hungry boy. Yeah. A little more? This is kind of fun, huh? Oh, there's your bottle ready. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Okay, we're going to keep going. Say bye, Dad. There you go. Good job. Where's your big bounces? Look at those dancing feet. Liam. Hi, babe. You got your chicken there? Let's see some big spins. Good job. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Good. You're tipping over a little bit. You doing it on purpose so you can chew on that? I think so. Okay, one last big jump. Let's see it. All right. Okay, bye-bye.